Welcome to Pro News Flash. Bitcoin is recovering after the sell-off. So let's dive into the latest developments. The sell-off of Bitcoin, following Congress's passage of a law regulating the circulation of stablecoins, and the retreat of U.S. stock indices from record highs allowed Bitcoin bears to push prices below the lower boundary of the 116,000 to 120,000 consolidation range. When it looked like a severe correction was coming, U.S. stocks stepped in again. Investors bought up the S&P 500 dip, and Bitcoin immediately bounced back. Changes in global risk appetite continue to be the main driver of cryptocurrency prices. July saw a series of record highs for the S&P 500, making it a successful month for Bitcoin. Meanwhile, Bitcoin-focused ETFs attracted $6 billion, the third best result in the history of specialized exchange-traded funds. Ether ETFs were not far behind, with a record inflow of $5.4 billion. The situation changed dramatically at the turn of July and August. Interest in digital assets began to cool. Coinbase's Bitcoin premium fell into the red for the first time since May, indicating a decline in demand from U.S. investors. Open interest in Bitcoin and Ether futures contracts fell by 13% and 21%, respectively, compared to the record high of Bitcoin. According to CoinGlass, on the last day of July, $800 million in long positions across all cryptocurrencies were liquidated. Speculators doubt the continuation of the rally, while crypto treasuries are buying Bitcoin under any conditions. On pullbacks or at market prices, the strategy acquired more than 21,000 coins, worth $2.46 billion, during the week of July 28th to August 3rd. This is the third largest cryptocurrency purchase by Michael Saylor's company since records began. The average price is the second highest in history. As a result, Strategy's reserves have grown to more than $71 billion. The further dynamics of Bitcoin will depend on the fate of U.S. stock indices and capital flows into ETFs. If the S&P 500's successes are temporary, Bitcoin will be forced to undergo a deep correction. If its quotes remain below the middle of the previous consolidation range of 116,000 to 120,000, the bears are in control. Stay with Pro News for more updates on events in the crypto markets. Like, share, and subscribe.